Badly prepared as always. I meant to do this before going live, but anyway, just modifying my description. Okay, great. Um, hey, welcome back. Let me just zoom into this. Right, yes. Okay, so first things first. In UK, COVID-19 cases are going up again quite steeply. So please look after yourselves. You know, take precautions if you haven't had your vaccination, your second vaccination, and if you have, just be aware it's not totally effective. So its efficacy is not 100%. So just take care and look after yourselves, please. Um, and just keep a close eye out on the news. That I would say, just to see how it's going. And if you want to sign up for regular lateral flow tests, which are the ones that you stick it up your nostril, you stick it down your touch the tonsils, and then you put it into the little bit of liquid, and then you kind of squeeze it off, and then you drip 2 drops onto a little flow test thing, and 15 minutes later you can see if you've got it or not. And that's for if you don't have any COVID-19 symptoms. You can just kind of do it on a regular basis for the Public Health England data, and that's awesome. Just sign up to that if you want, and you can get that on the, just Google it, lateral flow tests UK. And if you've got some symptoms, just go there as well, but type in PCR. So PCR test UK, and then you can get that basically super quick, and in after you've done it, the same kind of thing, but rather than the lateral flow test, you send it off, and then they do a more thorough study on it. So it takes about 2 days, I think less than 2 days sometimes, to get the result back. But yeah, definitely do that, and just look after yourself and look after your families, and take care out there. Cool. Okay, so number 2 is, let's start with some Greek lesson. So we're almost done with the whole first section, which is crazy. Oh, I didn't even check that you can hear me. Can you hear me? You can hear me. Great. Although I can also hear myself, so that's not right. I want to do that one. Okay, so let's do this. Va. Select the correct characters for V. 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 Match the pairs. Va. Va. Ria. Ria. V. V. Z. Z. Va. Va. Na. Na. Okay, I did the one wrong. Va. The type in English. The avocado. V. To. Oh, ha. Keyboard. Yes, I need that. Greek. To. Vaso. Vaso. I neros. I don't know how that works. Oh, ine. I don't think this is right. Maybe it is. To vaso ine. Okay, with an I at the end. Fair enough. Rose. Cool. Vase. Vase. Oh, vaso. Okay, O at the end. It's water and carrot. What's its? Oh, I see. Ine. Okay. Ine. Nero. Ne. Oh, is it ka? K. Okay, yeah. Oops. K. Carotto. I think it's that. Oh, almost. Only one of those. carrot. Okay, the avocado. To, avocado. Oh, right, okay. Avocado. So with the N in there. Interesting. Awesome. So we've reached the first. Ooh, exciting! How exciting! onto new horizons. All right, let me put this back to English. So a bit of a loose day. I'm basically on holiday from Wednesday to Friday, so I just thought I'd do a bit of study in that time as well as just try and relax a little bit. So nothing too much, but let's just carry on with the PyTorch stuff. It's going to start by reading over what I've put here. Episode 12. So episode 11 we got to here, great. We learnt that a one-hot tensor is where categories are labelled in a binary sense. Red equals 100, green equals 1, 0, 0, green equals 0, 1, 0, blue equals 0, 0, 1. The reason is to avoid confusion of enumeration categorization, where if red equals 1, green 3, 1 plus 2 may confuse the MLA. Yep. Cool, okay, we learned about inheriting from dataset in order to write our own dataset where init, length, and get item abstract methods to define. So that's right, if we want to do it our own one, we inherit from this class. Okay, we can use pyplot library to plot a graph, and we can use it to draw images on the above graph to assign color values to coordinates. Okay, I remember that, so maybe you remember it, I don't know. There it is though. Right, okay, so if I copy this link, paste that into here. Alright, let's close all this as well. Close tabs to the right. Yes, why not? Okay, neural networks comprise of layers, modules that perform operations on data. The Torch NN namespace provides all the building blocks you need to build your own neural network. Every module in PyTorch subclasses the nn.module. Okay. A neural network is a module itself that consists of other modules, layers. This nested structure allows for building and managing complex architectures easily. In the following sections, we'll build a neural network to classify images in the FashionMNIST dataset. Alright, let's do that. So I'm going to go back to my PyCharm, which I'm thinking of moving away from. I'd like to use Visual Studio, but I think I would need to download the new preview because it's got like some better stuff with environments for Python. We'll see. Anyway, let me zoom into this. And we're running dataset and data loaders. So we're going to do another function, and that's run. Yeah, let's do another function for our new section. Run build model. Yeah, okay. So let's import this stuff. And also, what was it to minimize stuff? Was it Control Shift minus? Oh yeah, I remembered, finally. Cool, let's just plop it all in, whatever. Run build model, nothing in there. So, get device for training. So we check if it's got CUDA. Okay, so we've done that, I think up here. Damn, you know what? I need to do something before I do this. I'll have to cancel this video. I'll be back in about 15 minutes. Just totally forgot. Alright, that's annoying. I'll do a episode 12.1.